Okay, we have a sharp vertical CNC milling machine with a PROTO-TRAK M2 control. The machine is model OMV, 10 by 50 table. It has a 29.5-inch travel, 15.5-inch cross. The quill travels 5 inches. It has a scale on that, scale on that to read on the control, but it's 2-axis programmable. We're going to run it for you. We're running the spindle right now. It's an R8.
In the high range.
It's in the high range. It goes up to 4,000 RPM, 4,500 RPM. It's nice and quiet. We're going into low gear. Machine also does have a CURT air actuated power drawbar.
About 200 RPM.
200 RPM, okay. You can see that when he moves the quill, that it reads on the control. X and Y, which also are ball screws and motors. We're going to move them by power as well. That's the X. And the Y. Machine also has a manual knee handle. It'll travel 15 inches. Okay. What else do we have on this? Oh, the machine also, the control has been upgraded with an LED screen from a CRT. Thank you for watching our video.